Hello viewers, this is Hussain from Nadia Pets Cross and very warm welcome to our valued views. Today's video is about yellow golden pheasant. We'll give all possible information on this type of pheasant. In this video, we'll be covering short description of yellow golden pheasant, gender identification of the pheasant, daily breeding feed and its diet, breeding information and disease prevention, how to enhance fertility in pheasant, breeding cage size and setup requirements, and how to incubate the eggs of the pheasant, and what are the precautions in the incubation of eggs and with all possible conditions, and in the end, business profit prospects. Yellow golden pheasant, a variation or mutation of red golden pheasant, is equally most popular pheasant breed due to its stunning beauty and also known as Gigi's golden. Its mutation is dark-throated golden and cinnamon golden. There are two mutations of this type of pheasant. Yellow golden pheasant live for 15 years. Male matures at age 2 or maybe at 1 year even, and female that matures at the age of 1 year. Yellow golden pheasants are difficult at breeding. Like red golden pheasant, the maximum chick survival is not more than 7 in a year. That means 7 chicks you can count on, and incubation period is 20 to 23 days. And they are hardy and survive both hot and cold temperature from 5 to 45 degree, and ideally the temperature should be between 15 to 35 degrees Celsius for its ideal breeding. Adult male is 90 to 105 centimeters long and weight is 1 to 2 kg. And yellow golden pheasant needs lot of shade, otherwise the sun will shed away their vibrant color. So recommended that it should be kept in some shade. Male in vibrant color, as you can see about the gender identification, and golden color is very prominent the male, and tail is also longer in length. And this is the female, which is pale golden with dark barrings on its body. Its breeding season is from April to July, and hen lays about 8 to 12 eggs in a clutch. First clutch in April, second clutch in June. In nature, their diet consists of birds, seeds, fruit, different insects, and the leaves of plants. Daily feed consumption is 60 gram per bird, annual feed consumption 22 kg per bird, or feed daily. The broilers feed starter crumbs. After onset of breeding season, mix 1/3, that is 20 gram per bird, of the layer feed of the chicken, and add pre-mix at the rate of 1 gram to 1 kg of the feed to give it more vitamin base. Add dicalcium phosphate, also known as DCP, thrice a week in the feed, and during breeding season sprinkle sugar cane syrup over the feed to make it more delicious. And that is how the bird would consume the maximum quantity of feed in a daily diet, so the chicks would definitely be healthier than on. And you may mix little quantity of grain mix, mean different types of grain like millet, wheat, etc., in the feed to give it a variety. Vitamin E as supplement you should give weekly, and it is available as Alpha Mune Avian 400 capsule or liver cord oil. You may give any of the form. Vitasol, that is multivitamin, weekly in a water, and moringa dried powder you can sprinkle over the feed, and boiled duck eggs, very much essential for its best breeding. You must. And cage size and other requirements: cage must not be facing direct sunlight, cage must be spacious and with proper air circulation from all sides, and our recommended cage size is 7 feet in length, 6 feet width, with height of 7 feet. This is for one pair. And this type of cages we have recommended, these are 7 feet high, 6 feet in depth, and 7 feet long, and this one would suffice for a pair. And now, which one is better, natural or artificial incubation, we'll discuss in this segment. We recommend always the artificial incubation, that because that yield better result, that is over 80% vis-a-vis the natural breeding, in which case sometimes the hen does not even sit on the egg. So artificial incubation is the only solution if you are uh, doing the business in yellow golden pheasant. And carefully collect the eggs from cage without any jerk or shake and place inside the incubator. For first 20 days, rotate eggs 4 times a day, and temperature should be between 99.5 plus minus 5 degree Fahrenheit and humidity between 45 to 55%. And from day 21 till its hatching, do not rotate the eggs, and temperature should be the same, but humidity, increase the humidity to 55 to 60%. Now, brooding of yellow golden pheasant for initial 12 hours, the newly hatched chicks should remain without any feed and water, and that too inside the incubator. Initially, for a day or so, chicks should remain in the incubator on the same temperature and humidity. Shift to brooder then and maintain 95 degree Fahrenheit temperature for a week, and feed them the crushed broiler starter crumbs. And during second week, shift these chicks to some bigger brooder but at the normal room temperature. And ideally, chicks should remain inside the brooder room at least for 2 to 3 months, and brooder room should be enclosed one. Now the discussion, colony versus pair setup. Due to cannibalization effect, never ever keep two pairs together, otherwise they would kill each other. Ideally keep pheasant as trio set, that is one male and two female in a single cage of size, as we have already recommended. The same size would be suffice for trio set as well, that is 7 feet long, 6 feet wide and 7 feet high. Prevention of diseases, that is more important than the cure of disease. Yellow golden pheasant is vulnerable to all types of poultry diseases, like particularly the ND, Newcastle disease. ND vaccine, also known as Lasuta, must ideally be administered to the pheasant every month. 1 week before giving this ND vaccine, deworm the bird with albendazole dewormer, and that dosage is 1 gram dewormer albendazole that should be mixed in water to 4 pheasants. And immediately after vaccination, administer a multivitamin like Vital powder and paracetamol to the bird, and change and lay quick lime under cage soil after every 2 months. That is important to prevent the diseases and to kill the germs. Spray phenol, or also known as phenyl, that should be diluted as 1 part in 100 parts of water, and that should also be mixed with 1 part of bleach, that is the virus killer, outside of cage every alternate day. Disinfectant spray like a Bifar and antifungal spray, that should be sprayed around inside bed every month. Sprinkle anti-mites lice insect powder like Cupex over bird skin, its cage floor, inside the cage and around the cage every month. That is very important. And business profit prospects with good care management and based of number of eggs and chick survival per year, that is 7. Business prospects of yellow golden pheasant fairly good. After excluding all expenses, the bird has the capacity to yield 3 times annual profit. That means if you are investing $100, $300 you would spend, you would save after a year's breeding. So it was all about yellow golden pheasant. We have tried to compile of the every information. For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel and visit it too. Thank you very much for watching this video.